Is it time to buy or sell Rigetti Computing stock? In this video, we will take an in-depth look at Rigetti Computing. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 24th of March, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 20th of March, 2025, our system has classified Rigetti Computing as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of -5.25. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this period. Surprisingly, the stock has outperformed our system's predictions, achieving a gain of 8.79%. This results in an average return of 2.93% per day since it was designated as a strong sell candidate. The stock has broken through a significantly declining short-term trend. Initially, a slower rate of decline is noted, which may indicate an early signal of a trend shift. On any reaction, there will be support at the ceiling of the current trend that has been broken, which is $8.73. This level may present a second opportunity for a potential upward movement. According to fan theory, $17.27 could be the next possible peak level and may act as a resistance that could be challenging to surpass on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of 44.81% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -98.95% to -50.75%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 114.62%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 16.92% to 396.37% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $11.44 and $48.55. Our latest daily update for Rigetti Computing includes the headline. On Monday, Rigetti Computing Inc. stock price gained an impressive 7.83%. The stock price for Rigetti Computing Inc. increased by 7.83% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 24th of March, 2025. It rose from $9.07 to $9.78. During this trading day, the stock fluctuated by 5.93%, reaching a low of $9.28 and a high of $9.83. Over this period, the price has been quite volatile, but there has been a significant gain of 23.64% over the past 2 weeks. On the last trading day, volume decreased by 12 million shares, with a total of 47 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $455 million and 19 cents. It's important to note that decreasing volume alongside rising prices may indicate potential changes in the near future. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price recorded was $21.42, while the lowest was 66 cents. Currently, the price stands at 54.34%, or $11.64, below the 52-week high of $21.42, which also represents the all-time high for this stock. Rigetti Computing, traded as RGTI, has recently garnered attention in the quantum computing market amidst a wave of news highlighting both challenges and opportunities. Over the past week, the stock has experienced volatility, primarily influenced by broader market trends and significant events within the tech sector, such as the impending NVIDIA Quantum Day. Analysts have noted that Rigetti is a key player in the race to develop practical quantum solutions, competing alongside tech giants like Amazon and Google, all of which have collectively invested over $55 billion into this technology. On March 19th, Rigetti's stock, along with other prominent quantum firms, saw declines attributed to market fluctuations ahead of anticipated announcements from NVIDIA. However, analysts remain optimistic about the long-term prospects of Rigetti Computing, emphasizing its trajectory toward achieving major technological milestones: a 36-qubit system by the second quarter of 2025 and a projected 108-qubit system by the fourth quarter of the same year. The company is well positioned to tap into a substantial total addressable market, projected to grow from $1 to $2 billion before 2030 to $15 to $30 billion between 2030 and 2040. Short-term stock price movements may continue to be erratic, particularly as external events, such as earnings releases from competitors, unfold. Yet, given Rigetti's innovative advancements and the growing interest in quantum technology, the stock could surge as investor confidence builds over its capacity to meet upcoming milestones. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 6th of March, 2025, it was reported that Alliance Global Partners assigned RGTI a buy rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 14th of January, 2025, it was reported that B. Riley assigned RGTI a buy rating with a hold action. On Friday, the 20th of December, 2024, it was reported that Craig-Hallum assigned RGTI a buy rating with an initialize action. On Friday, the 9th of August, 2024, it was reported that Needham assigned RGTI a buy rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 25th of July, 2024, it was reported that B. Riley assigned RGTI a buy rating with an initialize action. Analysts have assigned Rigetti Computing stock a general strong sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio also as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Rigetti Computing. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume decreased during the last trading day, even as prices rose. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. The stock should be monitored closely. Negative signals have also emerged, which may impact short-term developments. The stock of Rigetti Computing Incorporated indicates sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, resulting in a more pessimistic outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general sell signal is present, as the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance may occur at the levels of $10.06 and $10.30. A breakout above either of these points would generate buy signals. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Tuesday, January 21, 2025, and thus far, it has declined by 30.04%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is identified. Here are some additional signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots signaled a sell opportunity 44 days ago. Bollinger Bands generated a buy signal 108 days ago. The short-term moving average suggested a sell signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 6 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 30 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a buy signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average generated a buy signal 108 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 101 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Rigetti Computing. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $8.95 and $8.93. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead to a decline toward the next support area. In this instance, Rigetti Computing Inc. has support just below today's level at $8.95. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $8.93 and $8.51. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility, with a substantial prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, which categorizes this stock as very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by 550 cents between its high and low, representing a change of 5.93%. Throughout the last week, the stock exhibited an average daily volatility of 10.49%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Rigetti Computing, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, a pattern of consistently negative PE ratios may hint at insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 8th of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at -5 cents. Keep a close watch on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Rigetti Computing. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Rigetti Computing is at $10.04. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Rigetti Computing faces its first support level at $8.95. If this support level holds, it could represent a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Rigetti Computing from multiple analyst sources is categorized as a strong sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 14th of March 2025, Rivas David executed an insider sale of 275,000 shares of common stock. On the 11th of March 2025, McCarthy Cathy L. conducted an insider sale of 150,000 shares of common stock. On the 10th of March 2025, Bertelsen Jeffrey A. executed an insider purchase of 200,000 shares of common stock. On the 10th of March 2025, Rivas David conducted an insider purchase of 200,000 shares of common stock. On the 11th of March 2025, Rivas David executed an insider sale of 351,785 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we found that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of -7.85. In total, insiders purchased 8,244,014 shares and sold 5,229,290 shares in the last 100 trades. We have a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is Rigetti Computing stock a good buy? Rigetti Computing Inc. shows several negative indicators and is currently in a broad and declining trend. As a result, we believe its performance will remain weak in the upcoming days or weeks, leading us to a negative assessment of this stock. Upon examining the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, March 25th, we anticipate that Rigetti Computing will open lower by 15 cents, beginning at $9.63. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.